In March 2021, we assembled a diverse group of species experts and practitioners to evaluate the potential ex situ conservation rules for each of 39 Canadian snake taxa in an integrated collection and assessment planning workshop, or ICAP. The workshop was the first of its kind in Canada and for snake species globally. While many in situ conservation efforts are underway to address threats to wild populations in their natural habitats, conservation planning in Canada has generally not considered the full complement of potential conservation roles that might be contributed by the ex situ community, including zoos and aquariums, wildlife centers, botanical gardens, and gene banks, to effectively achieve wild population recovery goals. Ex situ management can support species conservation and prevent extinction by various ways, including addressing the causes of primary threats, offsetting the effects of threats, restoring wild populations, or buying time. Using the 5-step decision process of the IUCN SSC guidelines for the use of ex situ management for species conservation, participants evaluated if and when ex situ management is an appropriate conservation tool for each of the 39 taxa of Canadian snakes. Participants identified priority recommendations for ex situ conservation roles that will directly benefit wild snakes. At-risk species with established ex situ populations had the most recommendations, such as establishing breeding and release programs. Conservation-based research, training, and education were recommended for most taxa, including 2 non-threatened taxa that can serve as models for more threatened snakes. The recommended actions broaden existing ex situ roles and published recommendations, identify regional priorities for Canadian snakes, and complement in situ conservation efforts. The ICAP process also increased knowledge and understanding amongst all participants of the full spectrum of possible ex situ conservation roles as part of a one-plan approach to conservation planning. The full report is available on the Canadian Species Initiative and Conservation Planning Specialist Group websites and can be accessed via the QR code on this poster. Thank you.